Yeah, good to all my dear clients, my dear followers, my dear subscribers. I thank you for taking time to see what we do in the field of construction. By names of Engineer Rebecca Albert Henry, Rural Design and Construction Limited, we are located in Mengo near Mtesa University. I thank you all who have given us work, and I really know that we've done what is expected from us. So we do the following services. We do provide these services: house plans, construction, compound design, a boundary wall construction, plan surveying, swimming pool construction, plumbing, electrical installation, roofing, and all other stuff. So for all those services, don't fail to contact us. We are easily available. We do provide our services in all parts of Uganda. For this video, I brought you the procedures of how to handle the construction site, how to start, how to what is next, what is done next, what is done next. So as I told you, first of all, you have your plan, approved one from the council. Then you have to make sure that you have approved the plan from the town council so that you are not disturbed on the site. After getting that stamped copy, approved copy, you've gone to site. Now you want to start construction. Where do you start from? So for this video, I'm going to tell you the procedures to avoid mistakes. Some people do mistakes and they end up losing some material and some money. So when you started construction, you've started your foundation because you cleared when it is hilly, you graded if it is necessary. So you've excavated your foundation, you've started your construction of foundation, you've raised your walls up to wall plate, then you've roofed. Next step is roofing. So after doing that, next step is installing windows and doors. Uh, Unlike when you are going to use aluminium, when you are going to use aluminium, it is different because you have to use plaster. But when you are going to use this metallic, um, openings with metallic windows or doors, you have to first, once you are done roofing, you install them. After you start plastering, after installing them, before plastering, you have to put in the conduits of electrical and plumbing. You install all those pipes, you install them. Okay, so after installing them, you have to start plastering. You've done plastering, then another thing, after doing your plastering, you'll be starting constructing the fence. Once you don't have a fence to construct, by that stage, you have to start the fence. In that, you start leveling your compound, leveling malam, doing what malam, the stuff. So after that, you start planting those flowers where they are going, the grass, and then you pave. This helps to be like we are removing that on the side, that on the side. So after that, you will start preparing your walls for paint. That is putting undercoat. Once you put undercoat, once all the dirty stuff are done, you start putting the tile. Most people do a mistake of tiling when most of the work is not yet done. Take assumption that the wheelbarrow, the use the hoes, the use spades are being laid in your expensive tile. No. So it is better that the tile comes last. Someone may be like purchased that tile from China. That tile is expensive. Now you end up like the tile is done, is worn out when you've not yet entered the house. You see that mistake? So it is better the tile comes last to avoid that. Because when you started the tile and the most of the outside external works are not yet done, my friend, those workers will just walk in, the wheelbarrows, that jerry cans on your tile. So, my friend, I urge you to be like you start with the external works, or when they are done, you start tiling. So, when you start tiling, that is when you are going to install the showers, install the cabins in the kitchen, the sink, those stuff, then the wiring of you put the wiring, because the conduits for the electricity were put there. So that's when you start putting wiring. Then after all, you put in your paint. The paint is the last part. The paint is the last part. So for this video, I think you picked what has to be done first and what has to be done last to avoid losses. So, my friend, I think this video has helped you. Those who would have made a mistake, I know now you can't do a mistake. So, as I've said, you start construction. This is the summary. You start constructing the foundation, then raise, then roof, then you start building the fence, then you do the compound, filling the maram backfill, then planting flowers, then you pave, then you do the wall preparation for the paint, that is putting undercoat, sanding. So after that, you put your tiles that you have normal soils on the ground, on the site, then paint last. So those are the procedures you have to follow when you are doing your construction. Yeah, I think this video has helped you a lot. Thank you for all subscribing. I remain by names of Engineer Rubega Robert Henry of Rural Design and Construction Limited. We do house plans, we do construction, yeah, and related stuff when the house is done. So I'm happy that you've watched this video and it has not left you the same. So I thank you all. Our telephone numbers are 070186844 or 0775339664. I wait for you to give you our services. God bless you all.